Hello and welcome to me on this Friday outside in the woods. So if any of you follow me on Twitter, you'll know that I posted a video this morning of some pictures I've done for the last week, and also I put a soundtrack on there of birds singing, and it was actually from right here. So this is the spot where that sound was made. So I thought it would be very fitting to go into the weekend if I came up here and did the intro to this little video. So you might recognize this scene as the fog scene. So I would come up here, this is one of the trees that I really love, and this is where I would do some of my images. When it's really misty, I would come up here and I would look for a nice composition in this area actually, and just take a picture, and the mist will make it look really haunting. And I'm about to share one of those images with you now. And as you can see, it looks really good in black and white. The light just pours in the top of the trees and it just looks really haunting, atmospheric. And I don't know, I just really like them. I think they're different. It's not my sort of normal thing, but it works. So my YouTube channel is very much about sharing things. I don't have no intention of being anything special. I just want to keep sharing the content that I make, and also the stuff I do on my Twitter. I want a place where that can be stored and kept. I know that a lot of you enjoy it, and also it's nice for me to look back on it. Once I move to Canada, I just wonder, am I going to really miss this place? I check the weather in Canada to see how it compares to the UK at the minute, and actually they look very similar. I mean, Canada, the area we're looking at, looks pretty wet, and it's not wet here. It's about the same sort of temperature. I think once you start to get towards winter, that's when you'll really notice, or I'll really notice the difference, because it'll be absolutely freezing, which I'm going to love. And why not? Do you want to build a snowman? Anyway, we'll jump right into the video now, because I don't want to take up any more of your time, and I want to get on with this video. I want you to enjoy it. It's probably best with headphones so you can really listen to the sounds of the woods and sit back, relax, and enjoy, and I'll catch you later.